sounds like he's going to be vocal right now. Oh my gosh. That is the loudest. I don't know what that means. It's the loudest thing. It's the loudest thing I've ever heard.